You are more likely to feel attracted to others who are similar to you in some way. When people care for you, encourage you, it helps you overcome the pain of rejection. Males are more aggressive than females, particularly when they are teenagers. Regardless of age, region, demographic, or social standing, depression affects everyone. People who have strong social networks are more likely to survive a serious illness than those who don't. The cells in the brain that becomes active when thinking of sex also show similar behavior when one is having food cravings, most especially in women. Sleeping next to someone you love not only reduces stress and depression, but it helps you live longer and makes you fall asleep faster. 10 minutes of cuddling upon waking up in the morning can help you improve and stabilize your mood for an entire day. You can virtually tell that a woman no longer cares about you when she no longer becomes irritated or frustrated with you. Sex increases your immunity to pain, while orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. We blame a person's behavior on their personality, unless it's us. We blame a person's behavior on their personality, unless it's us. According to research, a higher percentage of women love having sex from behind because having penetration from this angle makes them feel more feminine, deeper, intense, and in some cases, for those who love it rough, it's the best position to have their hair pulled. If done on daily basis, a good morning kiss can literally add 5 years to your life. When women give you oral sex, a hormone is released which burns fats. Guys loves it when the girls make the first move.